everybody. I may not want this. Yeah, I guess we can. I really don't want the cover, but if we can get it. It's heavy. Heavy boy. But it's the first thing that I've came across since. See if we can make it a smidge ladder. I should just flip it. Be smart about it. Alright, it's a good start. I guess it's a start. Oh, you'll see me stop at this pile a lot every year. Oh, fold them up. That clock looking thing looks neat. Kinda does, don't it? Dude, we're not potty chair desperate yet. We can always come back. That's all I see that I want. All right, we got Fold 'em Up Joe. Kind of blocking the driveway, but we can move if we have to, I guess. Trampoline. Touch them 100 times. some reorganizing. We're not blocking a driveway now. Oh, it's not taking. How's it going, man? Ooh. This one's just like mine at home. That one I found yesterday was locked up, and it was a spider. The deck was cast aluminum, but I just threw it off his shred. I didn't want to spend the time tearing it apart. And breakage is only 10 cents here, and shred is 6.5. That's my reasoning anyway. I could just be lazy. But everybody wants it. It's at the scrapyard. Wait, one more. Let's put it like this for now. It'll probably stay like that. We'll try this one. Put this like this. Stuff down in it. Sweet. black seat material. What's that? On the bottom, I just don't want to mess with everything. We'll use that to sweep out the truck. Tomato cages, I won't mess with that. Wow. Alright. That was a cool stop. Dude, I know this ain't much, but I almost missed it. It's blended in with the trash can. I don't think I'm gonna grab anything for here, but that's kind of too big. But I just wanted to stop and look. That's fiberglass. It's interesting though. I don't see anything that I actually need or can scrap. That's too much wood and fiberglass. Hello. Perfect. Found something finally. About to call it quits. Free. Don't need the blades or the freeze on. I just wanted to get out and stretch my legs more than anything. Ooh. It's actually kind of cool. I like it. Put some, maybe paint it, maybe not. Hey, a pressure washer, cool, and a fan, man. We'll just stick the pressure washer. Kind of heavy. Oh no, it wasn't. I can get it back there, I think, before we start putting anything on the back. Do everything the hard way. this one? That one's dry rotted. Next thing to do, buy some sponges. Alright. Well guys, that's all I found today. There's a good chance I'll run into some stuff on the way home. But if not, thanks for watching. We've done a lot worse, and we've done a lot better too. So, but the car comes, man. Pay attention. But yeah, you know what I was saying. Thanks for watching. You guys are like keeping me motivated and stuff. I don't know. Clothes off. I'm trying to do a clothes off. No, not take my clothes off, but like close off the video. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. You guys are awesome. I'll see y'all on the next one. My neighbor yelled at me and said, "Hey, I got a dryer." So we got a dryer thing. Anyways, like I was saying, my GoPro died, but we got a dryer. Yelled at me after I was not even in the neighborhood I was at, and they're like, "Hey, you collecting metal?" And I said, "Yeah, we got a dryer we need to get rid of." And he wheeled it down on a wheeler, and I just put it up there. That's what we found. But yeah, that zoom it out, man. All right, you guys have a good one.